Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will be sharing the recipe for red beans and rice. Here are all the ingredients: 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of red beans canned, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, green scallions, 4 slices of butter, sour cream optional, for serving. The first thing that you need to do is wash 3 cups of rice 2 to 3 times, then measure 3 cups of water to cook the rice. Add 1 cup of red beans. You can use canned beans. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes. Mix in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. Stir well. Cover for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the lid and add sliced green scallions. Place 4 slices of butter on top. And cover for another 5 minutes until the butter melts. Once cooked, mix the rice and serve. Optionally, top with sour cream. Enjoy! Hope you liked my video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.